So good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. I am Cherilyn Spirahoyani from BPA 2C. So today we will talk about honors drawing. An honors drawing is the withdrawal of cash or other assets from a business by its owner for personal use. It's not a business expense, but rather a reduction in the owner's equity, which reduces the overall value of the owner's stake in the business. These withdrawals are typically recorded in a temporary contra equity, also known as a draws account, which is enclosed to the owner's capital of the end of the year. So there are five key characteristics of owner's drawing. The first one is personal use. The funds are used by the owners for personal expenses or consumptions, not for business operations. The second one is not an expense. Owner's draws are not recorded as an expense on the income statement because they don't represent a cost incurred by the business. The third one is impact equity. Draws reduce owner's equity, which is recorded on the balance sheet. The fourth one is temporary account. The draws account is temporary account with a debit balance that is transferred to the owner's capital account at the end of the year. Then the last one is the common in sole proprietorship and partnership. Owner's draws are most common in an incorporated business like sole proprietorship and partnership.
An owner's draw, also called a draw, is when a business owner takes funds out of their business for personal use. Business owners might use a draw for compensation versus paying themselves a salary. Draws are usually taken from your owner's equity account. Business owners can withdraw profits earned by the company, or the owner can take out funds they contributed, aid up of different funds, including money you've invested into your business.
And that's all. Thank you for watching.